All right, this is, I got the 390 engine cranked. It cranked up the other day, fired the first time I turned it over. And like I tell people, I've never rebuilt an engine. I'm not a professional, I'm a backyard guy. Never rebuilt an engine, put it in a car, put the distributor in it, plug wires, everything on it. And the first time it bumped over, it fired up. That was quite an accomplishment. I was very pleased with that. And it was a little low idling, so I came out and idled it up a little bit, run it for about a minute. I didn't have water in it. So I got everything, the water in it today, and it should crank up. And what I'm going to do is crank it up, and then I'm going to try maybe to break it in here. It's going to be what it sounds like. But, you know, you're supposed to run these things for 15 to 20 minutes at about 2,000 RPM after you crank them. So, and vary the speed. That's a new deal that they started a few years ago. But used to, you set them at 2,000 RPM and just sit down and let them run. Now, they say to vary the speed down to 1,000, up to 15, up to 2,000, back down. So I'm going to do a little bit of that and see what happens. I'm going to turn the fan on, and this thing is, I think, going to be noisy. So turn the fan on, there'll be no more talking. I don't think it will show up on the camera. So here you go.
Leaking oil. Fred. 19, 18. A little bit of water.
Yeah. Okay.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's running a little hot, so I shut it down. And because I haven't got a fan on it, I hope this works. This is a old NASCAR radiator that I had, and I put it in it. Thought this might work, but I didn't think it'd run this hot this quick. According to that, it's 200 degrees at the water pump. It coincides with the inside. I don't know if you noticed, but the popping almost stopped. I
Yeah.
think a lifter may not have been pumped up,
Yep.
and once it got pumped up, it almost stopped.
Yep.
And the front of the exhaust is running way higher in the back for 500 to 400. You can come over here and look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another reason. There's another reason. Look.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that always makes them run better when you.
Look at this. Two of them off.
It pushed them off, you think?
I don't know whether I didn't have them on good or what.
Yeah.
I don't know where I bought them spark plug wires.
Yeah. Couldn't be those hands putting them on though, I know that. Those some talented hands there.
Batteries.
Yeah?
But it's really weird. Look how it burnt this off.
Yeah.
And I wonder if it was from it not firing, but I don't understand that.
Huh. Well, this side got hotter than that side, so.
Yeah, this back here at the back, this back one is 288 degrees. Same temperature. So those two are right. Let's see what the front is. This one's 318. 282. Look how the aluminum head changed colors.
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's getting fire. It's getting fire out at the wrong time, huh?
I wonder if they're crossed. But that's weird. See how it burnt the paint off right there?
Yeah.
It didn't burn it off back there.
Hmm.
And see how much hotter it got here and here than it did back there?
Yeah.
275. 309. Whoa, that's hot. 299. This is 166. 197. What does it say in there on the temperature gauge?
Temp gauge is reading about 228.
Okay. Let's see where the temperature gauge. I don't know who's right, but this one says 164. 605.
Where?
Hey, I was going up, just playing.
605.
See, now this is at the water pump, 206. You
Okay.
say that's 228?
228, yeah. So heat soaking then?
Pretty neat.
Yeah.
And the problem with the oil leaking back here, you know the problem with this thing, Ford had a vent back here,
Yeah.
and I've got to build something to go over the top of that.
You
Or,
get that oil cap.
yeah, but see, I haven't got any room.
No, you don't. It's true.
See, I can't get my finger in between.
Yeah. Oh,
Now-
you can't move the vent at
Well,
an angle?
what I think I can do is put me a piece of hose over it,
Okay.
run it over here someplace. Remember how I did the Thunderbird? Remember
At the race?
yeah, I took a hose and ran it from back there to up here,
Right.
wrapped the rag around it and cured the problem.
Okay. That really spit out some oil though, didn't it?
Yes, yeah,
All the way out to here.
yeah.
You'll have
Well,
to
the fan was blowing it.
yeah. Neat. Sounded good though.
Oh, yeah.
Sounded real good.
Yeah.
Even with these wires coming off while you were on.
That was-
Normally you have to have an MSD to see all that happen.
Wow, that's hot. Okay, we had 2 plug wires come off of this thing when I shut it down. I want to see, and again, remember how it was extremely hot from here to here. Let's see if this thing cranks back up much better. Nope, let me try something.
No popping. It's going away.
Tell me when it's about 700. When it's about 700.
You're at 1,000. 500.
It don't want to run that. It may run out of gas.
You had that race gas in there, huh? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, I think it ran out of gas.
Well, we had a good startup, so we're good.